This week I'm joined by a very special guest. Robert is the CEO of the charity Achieve More that I've chosen to ride for. So, Robert, you want to say a few words to introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, I'm Robert McCarr, Chief Executive of Achieve More Scotland. As Ross says, we're the charity that he's chosen to raise funds for. I've decided to join him for a few days in the beautiful south of France. Achieve More Scotland is a young person's charity which uses sport and physical activity as a tool for engaging young people from deprived areas and hopefully improving their opportunities and life chances. The funds that Ross is raising along the way meant many opportunities for many young people, and we are very grateful for the support.
So Robert's getting a wee taste of what life's like on the road. Had to contend with a little bit of wind today. But other than that, the weather's been beautiful, scenery's been beautiful. It's been a great start to the week. Day one in the bag. What are we looking at? 118k. 6 hours, 10 minutes. Why don't you ask the receptionist what time breakfast is?
In French?
In French, yeah. I don't think she speaks English.
Excusez-moi, à quelle heure de le petit déjeuner, s'il vous plaît? Hein? Oh merde.
Alright, so that's Robert heading back to the train station after a week on the road. Robert, can you sum up how the week's been?
Incredible, actually quite emotional, quite spiritual. It's been incredibly rewarding, and I'm really sad to go home for a number of reasons. Pleased to see my family, but I wish I could join us for a bit more in this incredible journey. But, thank you to everyone who supported Ross, who supported the charity, and look forward to hearing about the rest of the journey over the next 4 weeks.
Safe trip.
Bye.